Hi guys, today we will be looking at English pronouns. Let's go. Subject pronouns, object pronouns, possessive adjectives, possessive pronouns, reflective pronouns. First person, I, me, my, mine, myself. Second person, you, your, yours, yourself. Third person, male, he, him, his, himself. Third person, female, she, her, hers, herself. Third thing, it, its, not used, itself. First person, plural, we, us, our, ours, ourselves. Second person, plural, you, your, yours, yourselves. Third person and thing, plural, they, them, their, theirs, themselves. Thank you very much, everyone. I really hope this video was helpful. Please remember, you can look in the description and you will find many more videos to help you with grammar. You will also find videos to help you with reading. And please don't forget to subscribe. Bye!